Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Are you going to add extra charge? Yeah. So when you have mentioned to me last week that you are accepted as a public teacher. So when are you going to start? Mhm. 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 Ooh, okay, I see. But still, congratulations. Yay. Yeah. Okay, so you're one step closer to your dream of becoming a public teacher. So, yeah, that's great. Oh, mhm. Me? Um, I actually have our I don't know what it's called, but we actually are looking for a good source of water supply. We live near the mountain, so um it will only take 2 to 3 days. Um I was supervising them earlier. So I Um, since the water well is far, and we have to dig a bit deeper than 20 feet. What we did is we hired someone to find a good water source, a good or a good part of the land where there would be a good water source. I think they're 40 feet before they left, and they told us that uh, it's a good sign because the soil is a bit hard. So they told us that it'll be a good water source because speaking of our soil being hard, it will not, it will not get the water will not get muddy. So yeah, I think oh no, not a water well, but we actually have a water motor, and we have our own tank. So yeah, it'll be much better from this week for me. We will not. I wouldn't have to carry heavy objects. So yay. Mhm. Okay, and that is why I don't. Mhm. Oh, we have, but it's not. We live in the province, so we don't really need to, we just need to dig, and then we can have our own water source. So it's not that hard to find a good water source here because there are a lot of trees here. Yes, it will be good because it's a bit deeper than your usual well that you can see. I think it can go up to 70 feet below. So um, I think it would be good enough. you know, it'll be drinkable. Um, we we have pH solution here. We just need to 2 to 3 drops of it to know if it's if it's acidic or if it's alkaline. If it turns blue or violet, then we can drink it. But if it's red or orange, we can't. We just use it for, cleaning or have a bath. Well, we have a water station here to purify our water, so we don't really need to drink from uh that water source. We have it delivered on our home. Uh, not us, but other people. They're actually going from house to house, and they're collecting gallons and containers of water, and then they're delivering it at our homes. Yeah. Okay, so at least I'm productive today, not just sleeping. Okay, so let's have a normal class, shall we? Okay. Okay, hold on. Oh, I think I have got the wrong. Okay, this one. Okay, kindly click on this link. There you go. We're going to continue that lesson. Okay, you're in? Okay. Okay, so let's continue our topic about problem solving. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to paste a new part of. Okay. Oh, yeah. You're going to listen to the audio once again. And you're going to answer this one. Okay. You're going to fill up the missing words. Okay, you need to fill in the gaps based on what you have heard. Okay? Hello? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you may now start. Hmm. I used to rule the world. Hear Jerusalem bells ring. Be my mirror, my sword, my shield, my missionaries in your foreign field. I can't explain. No, Saint Peter won't call my name. No, no, no. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield. Missionaries in the holy field. Can it fly? For some reason I can't explain. And oh, Saint Peter call my name. Never understood. That was when I ruled. Also, I can't explain. Okay. Okay, let me check if your listening skill is good. Okay, let me check this one. I'm having some trouble. Correct. Number two, can you be a bit more specific? Also correct. Have you tried? Also correct. Okay, number four, what about start restarting your computer? Okay. Okay, sounds like you may have Correct. Number six. Okay. It could have something to do with. Okay, you're missing a word here. Number six. It could have something to do with. I'm going to. Okay, I want you to. Okay. We're going to tarnish your perfect score. Okay, number seven. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's okay. This is wrong. Yes. Okay. Read it. Read it again. I'm not sure. Is the connection or it the connection? Okay. This one. Okay. Next, number eight. In that case, it's probably. Okay, your settings. I'll come over and try to sort it out. Okay, also correct. Next is. Okay. Okay, this one. Oh, you have examples here. Are you searching at the same time? Oh, heard that before? I haven't heard that before. Okay. Okay, next is dialogue 2. It looks like we have a serious problem. Okay, also correct. Next, number 11. Are you saying? Okay, also correct. Okay, number 12. I don't suppose you. Also correct. What I suggest is that. Also correct. Next, number 14. I'll send down. It's send down. Send down. This should be. Okay. This is the correct answer. Send down. My assistant. Okay, number 15. I'm not sure about that idea. Also correct. Okay, number 16. The best thing would be to. Okay, also correct. And number 17, right, that makes sense. Okay, you got one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 out of 17. Is that right? 1, 2? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it's 14. I only have 3 wrong answers. Okay, still good. Okay, so yeah, this would be the end of our um our topic about problem solving. Okay, so as as what I have seen, you have learned or you have noticed that there are words that you are not familiar with. So I guess that you've already answered it yourself. Okay. Okay, now next we are going to have another one. Okay, so you have already passed the C1 examination, right? Okay, so I believe this would be a proper lesson for you. Okay, so this is also business English. Okay, I'm going to paste it here.
on the next page, please. Oops. Okay, so as what you can see, okay, are you with me? Okay, so as what you can see here, our topic or our next topic is about high achievers. So when we say high achievers, what comes into your mind? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, so do you think these kind of people stops? Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, that is the best answer that I have heard about this one. Mm-hmm. And then and then you die the next day. No. I can't say that I'm contented, but you know, well, the real treasure for me is happiness, you know, not money. So, mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true. That is why. Well, my plan is not to be rich, you know. I know, I know it sounds ironic, but um, I don't really want to be rich. I have seen it, I have experienced it actually, but you know, it's not you really can't find happiness on money. Yeah. 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 I have I actually, you know, I have experienced it, and when I was young, I you know, it's it's really impossible because um as a child they don't want me to, you know, uh they are actually dictating me on everything. Not to do that, not to do this. You shouldn't be with that because you're not on their level. So, as a child, being, you know, carefree is um is what a good a normal child would be, but I'm not. So that is, you know, that is the downside of being rich. But given the situation that we are in now, I have found happiness on um on someone, not on money, but on someone, and working for something that you need, and you have obtained it because you have worked hard for it. That is a true treasure. So that's all for me. How about you? Mhm. 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 Yes. Mhm. 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 Yeah, couldn't agree more. Yeah, that is one of the realizations that I had when we hit the rock bottom. So it's actually fun. It's actually fun working out on something than having it served to you in a silver platter. So yeah. Okay. Mm, okay, so let's continue. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the objectives. Okay, so the objective of this lesson is for you to maximize your speaking, um, especially new vocabulary words, and incorporate the vocabulary word in speaking. So, um, here's a warm up. You're going to number the following aspects of being a high achiever from 1 to 7, with number 1 as the most important in the order of importance. Okay, and you should tell me why. Okay, so for example, number 1 for me is this one, being fun to work with. Okay, so tell me why is this your number 1? Okay, so it's your turn. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Uh-huh. Oh. Um, you actually have to strive hard, so you have to give your hardest. Yeah, I believe it. Yes, I know, I know. Mhm. 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 Yes, that's true. Someone who is a high achiever always puts himself first. So I agree with you on that. Mhm. 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 Actually, when I was in high school, I actually I've been very selfish. Um, I really strive to, to be on the top. For I actually belittling them. That is, that is the, that is, yeah. Okay, it is embarrassing, but I did that. And then I realized that when they are not, going out with me anymore, or having them by my side, it's actually sad. Being focusing on your goals is, it's good, but the downside to it is that you're losing everyone, you know. So I've almost lost my friends, not my family, but because um they're actually um supporting me, but my friends are the most important because I don't have a sibling, and I actually treat them as my brothers and sisters. So when I almost lost them, I actually came back to my senses. And then yeah, it's not fun anymore. It's good that I have realized that, but until now we are still good friends, even though um how, it's been 15 years since we have met each other. We're still good friends. We actually live in the same neighborhood. So she's a teacher now. Um, and the good thing is I'm a teacher too. I'm an English teacher, but she's a public teacher. So yeah, it's good to have companion than to be yourself. Okay, that. Mhm. 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 Oh, okay, I see. I've had those moments too, especially when we actually moved from one place to another. We actually moved because we can't afford the rent anymore. Um, yeah. So I don't really want to go outside. I really want to come back to the place where I grew up. But the reality. So I actually snapped back to my senses, and then yeah, I'm happy that I have made new friends, and I'm still friends with them until today. So yeah. Oh, true friends. I have many friends, but true friends. Very few. I can only count them on my fingers. I can say 10, just 10, but 10. Yeah, I can say 10, but my favorite would be 5. I actually tell secrets on um I trust my secrets with only 3 of them. Because I um I I actually have a lot of friends. I have a lot of friends. When I say lot, a lot of them. So 10 is few for me. Yeah. Mhm. 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 Depending on the day. So it depends on your mood. Oh, come on, Tanya. Oh. Mhm. 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 When you almost lost everything, that is where you can see, or where you'll know that who are your true friends really are. Who will stay by your side. You know. Mhm. 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 Oh, you're getting famous. Mhm. 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 Oh. Oh, be careful, Antonia. Mhm. Mhm. Yes, I actually agree with that. So, yeah. Be careful of foxes. They're sly. Okay. Okay, so I think that would be it for today, Antonia. It's already time. So, um, oh, we actually have to end it on the right time. Okay, I'm going to prepare for the next class that I'm having. I'm going to have. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, let's continue this tomorrow. I guess. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Oh. Okay, nos vemos mañana, Antonio. Bye. Bye. You too. Bye.